This is the CNC machining of the connector openings on the receiver enclosure. The enclosure is relatively long, so it sits high out of the vise in order to machine the end. If unsupported, this would lead to chatter when machining. The proper solution would be a custom holding fixture that would clamp it securely. Unfortunately, such fixtures can be complicated or difficult to make. Since this is a fairly short production run, we took a simpler route. To protect the thin walls of the enclosure, a large metal block is placed inside, and the vise clamps on that to pin the back of the enclosure against the fixed vise jaw. Then, a thick metal plate is clamped to the back, and the upper edge of the enclosure is clamped to the plate. This requires many movements and steps to remove and replace each case from the vise, and adds a number of seconds to each operation. Okay, this is going to take forever. Let's speed it up about 8 times. For a truly high volume production, that lost time would be unacceptable, but in this case it's not a real issue. Here we change from the long 1/2-inch tool to the shorter 1/8-inch tool. An automatic tool changer would be a real benefit. The total cycle time for the enclosure, both top and bottom, was about 11 minutes and 10 seconds, multiplied by 60 enclosures. It's likely that different cutting tools and experimenting with speeds and feeds could shave a lot off that time, but such experimentation itself takes a lot of time and effort. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video.